it's Carrie.
And Sydney, and this is your cocktail of the week. And Carrie's actually letting me make one. Okay, this one's super yummy. It's very simple. There's just 2 ingredients. It's so fantastic. But you will need a blender, so make sure you get your blender out. We're gonna do 5 ounces of regular Laughing Glass Original into our blender. This is just for 1 cocktail. And then we're using these super fancy Persian cucumbers. See how lovely they are? So just 1 peeled. You're gonna put those in there with your Laughing Glass. And then we're gonna zhuzh it. Here we go. Ooh, delicious.
It's so refreshing.
Oh, it's good.
Ooh,
Amazing,
look at
isn't
that.
it? I know, it looks fantastic.
Yeah.
And then we've used some black lava sea salt to rim the glass. It doesn't look black because when you grind it up so that it can go on the glass,
Turns gray.
it turns gray. Exactly. But it's going to be absolutely
And that's it. Ooh, it looks so frothy.
yummy.
Ooh, that's so pretty. Ooh, I'm so excited. Mmm. Mmm.
How does it taste?
Oh my god, it's so yummy and refreshing.
Yeah, so
Oh my
good.
gosh, so yummy for the summer.
Okay, what are we calling it? The cucumber spritz.
Come up with something.
Exactly. We
Enjoy.
enjoy. Cheers.
Cheers.